Hi, I'm Tapasya. I am studying in Whistling Woods International, pursuing BSc filmmaking. I love playing basketball and really like listening to music. I'm also a person who doesn't like getting along with other people, more like an introvert.
Since when have you been struggling with this particular problem?
Um, Not every 13 or 14-year-old should go through what I did. Since a very young age, I have been going through body dysmorphia and I had no escape from it, and I was all alone.
Hello, ma'am. So, can you tell us a bit about yourself?
So, my name is Shagun Sinha, and I am a therapist. I am a queer affirmative counselor as well as mindfulness coach. I have a few years of experience now. So, body dysmorphia, also known as body dysmorphia disorder, sometimes, if it falls into the category, it is when an individual looks at them differently. It might not seem the same way to others, but for them, it is a cause of concern which changes their lifestyle. They might not like a particular part of their body or maybe all of it. So that is what body dysmorphia is.
What are the symptoms of body dysmorphia that one might exhibit?
So the individual, it is very difficult for them to identify sometimes. But if they repeatedly see a shift in their lifestyle based because of one particular reason, being their appearance, when they shy away from mirrors, they don't enjoy looking at it, or they excessively work out, or they see difference in their appetite. These are the things that could tell them that there is some problem that needs to be addressed.
How has body dysmorphia affected your social life?
So ever since I started developing the syndrome of body dysmorphia, I made my distance from everybody I was close to. I used to stay alone all by myself and avoid people as much as possible. Being so alone all the time, I developed a smoking habit. People would, talk bad about me and talk behind my back, which would affect my mental health even more.
Bro, tapasya ये खा लेते हो घर में तो खाना मिलता नहीं होगा.
Shut the fuck up!
What the fuck?
I mean, like, whenever I'm stressed, I tend to come to this window, just look at the view, and my mood just gets so much better just by looking at the sky and the clouds, the birds, and everything. Just looks so much good, and my mood just brightens up when I see it.